Most people think Facebook ads fail because of targeting. They spend hours choosing interests, they test audiences, they build complicated campaigns. But in 2026, that's usually not the problem. The real reason ads fail today is much simpler, and once you understand it, Facebook ads become a lot easier. I've worked with businesses running Facebook ads across many industries, and one pattern shows up again and again: businesses that treat Facebook ads like a system win. Businesses that treat them like one random ad usually lose. So today I want to show you a simple framework, 3 pieces that make Facebook ads work. A lot of beginners think success comes from finding the perfect audience, but modern meta advertising works differently. The algorithm already does most of the targeting for you. Meta has more data than any advertiser ever could, which means your job is not to out-target the algorithm. Your job is to give it good inputs. And the biggest input is creative. Every successful ad account follows the same structure, 3 parts: cold traffic, creative testing, and retargeting. Let's break those down quickly. Part 1, cold traffic. Cold traffic is simple. You are showing your ads to people who have never heard of your business before. In 2026, this usually means broad audiences or Advantage Plus campaigns. Instead of trying to control everything, you let the algorithm explore. Your goal here is not perfect sales immediately. Your goal is finding interested people. Part 2, creative testing. This is the part most businesses get wrong. They launch one ad, maybe 2, then they panic if results are not perfect. But advertising is testing. You want multiple creatives running, different hooks, different angles, different messages. Because when one creative starts performing well, the algorithm will push it harder. Part 3, retargeting. Not everyone buys the first time they see your ad. In fact, most people don't. That's where retargeting comes in. Retargeting ads are shown to people who already interacted with you. Maybe they visited your website, watched your video, or clicked an ad before. These people are warmer, and conversions often happen here. Why most ads fail? The biggest mistake I see is this: businesses change everything too quickly. They change targeting, they change budgets, they change campaigns. But the real thing that needs improvement is usually the message. If your ad doesn't clearly show who it's for, what problem it solves, and why it matters, people will keep scrolling. Simple, creative framework. Here's a simple formula that works very well. Start with a hook, something that calls out a problem. Then, explain the situation your customer is experiencing. After that, show the solution. And finally, tell people what to do next. Hook, problem, solution. Call to action, simple, but extremely effective. Closing. If you understand this system, Facebook ads become much easier. You stop guessing, and you start improving the pieces that actually matter: creative, testing, and retargeting. If you want more strategies like this, subscribe to the channel. I break down Facebook ads and online marketing every week, and if you want help scaling your ads, there's a link below where you can learn more.